In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC HTTP 403 error step by step. This is a common problem when you're trying to stream online content directly in VLC, and instead of playing, you get an access forbidden or 403 error message. Don't worry, this usually isn't a VLC bug, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple adjustments. I'll walk you through all the most common causes and solutions so you can get VLC working again. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The first and most common reason for the VLC HTTP 403 error is website blocking or user agent restrictions. Many websites actively block requests from non-browser applications like VLC. They only allow popular browsers, such as Chrome or Firefox. To fix this, open VLC and go to Tools, then click on Preferences. At the bottom left, switch the settings view from Simple to All. Now navigate to Input and Codecs, then look for the HTTP section. Here, you'll see an option called HTTP User Agent. By default, this may be empty or set to VLC. Change this value to a common browser user agent, such as a Chrome or Firefox user agent string. Once you've done that, click Save and restart VLC. This simple change often fixes the 403 error immediately. The second possible cause is an IP address issue. Sometimes your internet service provider's shared IP address is blocked, or your current IP has been blacklisted by the website you're trying to access. To fix this, first disable any VPN or proxy you may be using, as these are often blocked. Next, try restarting your router to obtain a new IP address from your ISP. If that doesn't work, try connecting to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, and then test the stream again in VLC. Many users find that simply changing networks resolves the issue. The third reason you might see a VLC HTTP 403 error is due to streaming service changes. Platforms like YouTube frequently update their systems specifically to block third-party apps like VLC from accessing streams directly. If you're trying to open a YouTube or similar streaming link directly in VLC, this is very likely the issue. In this case, the best solution is to use an external tool such as YT-DLP or YouTube-DLP to fetch the actual stream URL. Once you have the direct stream URL, copy it and paste it into VLC using the Open Network Stream option. Alternatively, make sure you're running the latest version of VLC, since updates and patches sometimes restore compatibility with popular streaming services. The fourth and final common cause is cache or corrupt data inside VLC. Over time, temporary files and cache network data can cause playback problems, including HTTP 403 errors. To fix this, open VLC and go to Tools, then Preferences. Under Input and Codecs, look for the option to clear the cache or reduce the network caching value. You can also completely reset VLC by clicking Reset Preferences at the bottom of the Preferences window. After resetting, restart VLC and try opening the stream again. In many cases, this clears out whatever was causing the access issue. And that's it. By adjusting the user agent, checking your IP address, working around streaming service blocks, and clearing VLC's cache, you can fix most VLC HTTP 403 errors quickly and easily. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.